Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a teardown of the Altec Lansing Lifejacket Jolt. I just took it out of the fish tank just a while ago, so it's still kind of wet. Oops, water got into the port. Let's take out this sleeve. Still kind of wet. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to tie out the grill. So you want to make sure that you go from the outside, not inward, okay? Don't do it this way. You're going to bend the grill, okay? So do it this way. Just like that. There we go. Speakers. Side. So let's go ahead and open up the back. So same process, just pry up the grill. There we go. So this is pretty much just like a frame for the base radiator. This can be taken off, but we'll leave it there for now. Let's go ahead and get these screws out. Once you get the screw out, it should just pop right open like this. Just like so. There we go. So this clip here is for the battery. Let's go ahead and take this out. So both of the speakers are soldered to this little board over here. So you won't be able to take the speaker out. You might to, the way they solder, it's coming in from the front and then they solder to the chip on the back. So you have to cut the wire if you're gonna replace the speakers. Let's go ahead and take out the battery. Okay, so all it is just double side tape onto the motherboard. Put that aside. Let's unplug this cable here. Just start unplugging these cables here. And this here is the wireless charging coil. Okay, let's put that off to the side. We have the cable here for the buttons. They glue the chip on here, so I won't be able to take it out. So we'll just leave it. And here's the battery. This here's a 4,800 milliamp capacity. And let's go ahead and disconnect this cable here. Let's get this one out too. So let's go ahead and get the, so over here is the NFC cable, and there's 4 screws holding down the motherboard, so let's go ahead and unscrew those. And after you take the 4 screw out, you should be able to take the motherboard straight out. Just like so. Kind of glue over there, so we have to kind of make sure you get the glue off the motherboard before you can take the motherboard out. There we go. So here's the motherboard. Inside of the Bluetooth speaker, you have the base radiator left on here. It's glued tight onto the enclosure, so you won't be able to get out. And that's it to it. The button glued in there too as well, so you won't be able to get that out. Alright, so first of all, here we have the sleeve that goes outside the Bluetooth speaker to protect it from drops and impact. And we have 2 grill, 1 in the front, and we have the 1 in the back. And here we have the speakers. They're both soldered to the chip here, so you won't be able to take them out. And these are the 2 little frame around the speakers. They contain 2 little fiber tubing around the speaker, so when the light shines on it, it will reflect into like a ring of light. And here's the motherboard. Here we have the QI wireless charging coil. And here we have the battery that claims to provide up to 30-hour playtime. And here we have the battery holder. It goes on like this, just like that. And then we have the frame for the base radiator on the back of the Bluetooth speaker. So it just goes like that. And there's 4 screws that you screw in to hold it in place. That's it. And these are the button, the power on, the light, and the pairing. And over here you have the volume up and down. Here we have the ports. You can charge your phone with it and whatnot. And over here we have the NFC. Get it in the corner over here. Yep, so this is pretty much it. Alright, if you find this video helpful, you can help my channel out a lot by liking this video and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be making more videos just like this coming up very soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can be notified of my upcoming video. Other than that, then I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.